How to fix Roblox error code 226. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 226. First of all, click on Windows search bar. Then search for the command prompt here. After that, right-click on the command prompt and choose to run it as an administrator. Once you get into the command prompt, now pass the command as ipconfig/flushdns. After typing this command, tap the enter button. Now again, pass another command such as netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Then close the command prompt and click on Windows search bar. Search for control panel in here, then click to open it. Once you get into the control panel, click on Network and Sharing Center. Then, go into the Change Adapter Settings option from the control panel of Network and Sharing. Now right-click on Wi-Fi and go into its properties. After that, choose the Internal Protocol version 4 from here and click on Properties. You can change the alternate DNS server if you want to. Otherwise, keep it the same, then click on OK, then restart your PC. This process will help you fix Roblox error code 226. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.